Equation of lines in standard form, question 14. Determine if the given set of points is collinear. Points are 4, minus 2, 1, 4 and minus 1, 0. Collinear means that all the 3 points should lie in a straight line. So what I'm trying to say, collinear means they should be on a straight line. So they should fall somewhere on any particular line, but they should all be on a line, right? As you know, 2 points can always make a line, but third point could be on a line or not. So we need to check whether the third point is also on a line, on the same line or not, right? So for that, what we are going to do is find equation of a line containing any 2 points. Now in this particular case, we can use any 2 points and then check our value, right? So let's use these 2 points to write equation of our line, right? So we'll first find slope. Given 2 points, to find equation of a line, best thing is to start with slope. So we have slope m equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, correct? Now y2 is 4, so we get 4 minus y1 is minus 2 divided by x2 is 1 minus 4. So that gives us 4 plus 2 as 6 and 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So we get a negative slope, negative 2. So line is actually going down. Okay, so we get a line with a slope of negative 2. So we can write this line in slope-intercept form and say y equals to mx plus b, right? And here we can use the third point, we can use any one of these 2 points to find out the equation, rather y-intercept, right? So we know y equals to slope is minus 2, so we'll write minus 2 for m. So let's write down the equation first with the slope. And now to find the value of b, we can plug in any of these points. So we'll use 1 and 4. 1 is the x value, y is 4. So get 4 equals to minus 2 times 1 plus b. And from here we get 4 plus 2 is 6, right? So we get 6 equals to b. So b is 6 for us. Let me write down the equation of the line here. So we get y equals to minus 2 is the slope, so we get minus 2x and b is 6 plus 6, right? Right. Now we need to check whether this point lies on this line or not. So for that, let's plug in minus 1 and see, do we get 0? So if I write minus 1 here, then what do I get for y? So y equals to minus 2, and if I write minus 1 here and plus 6, what do I get? I get minus 2 times minus 1 is plus 2 plus 6, which is 8 and not 0. Since the point is minus 1 and 8, we find that these 3 points are not collinear, correct? So in our case, we found that the slope of the line was negative 2, so it was actually a line going like this, but the third point was not on this line, and therefore our answer is that the given points are not collinear, right? So as a part of this exercise, can you find out another point on this line? Well, you can find many points on this line. You know the equation of the function, and that is the equation, correct? So in this equation, you can plug in many different points here, just as we plugged in minus 1, and we landed with 8. So we know minus 1, 8 lies on the line. Similarly, you can put many other points. If I put 0 here, 0 and 6 will give you the y-intercept. So you can find many other points on the line, but unfortunately, this point does not lie, and therefore, these points are not collinear. Okay, thank you.